everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Java JDK on your Windows PC. You must be aware of Java JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So if you wanna learn Java or build something in Java, you require Java JDK tool. It's basically its compiler. I will also teach you how to install the correct path of JDK folder in your PC. So I'm taking into consideration that you must have Windows PC. So first of all, take your download the JDK from the Java website. I'm leaving the link in the description box below. You can download it from the description box. So let's get started. I have pre-opened my link and here it shows Java SE downloads. These are multiple downloads. Which files? Java SE is the standard edition version. We need Java standard edition. Enterprise is for different purpose, for higher purpose, and Java ME other purpose and other things. But we gonna have to download Java JDK. So here we go. We click on this. We accept the license agreement here too. So this is Java Development Kit 8U101 and this is Java Development Kit 8U102. But an obvious, we will download 802 version. So if you are working with the 64-bit operating system, go for Windows x64 or else go for Windows x86. x86 is for 32-bit operating system. So I have 64-bit, so I will go for 64-bit. So it starts downloading, but I have previously downloaded the file, so I don't have to download it again. So I will now go and just install it. Wait a second, I need to check whether it is pre-installed or not. You can locate it in program file. If you download 32-bit, it will be in program x86, but I have downloaded for 64-bit, so I need to check it. So here we are. You can see here Java. Click on it. JDK means it's installed, or else you can go to uninstall or change program and see. So here my software is installed, so I don't need to install, but where you are downloaded, you just click next and install. It's just like basic installation. If you have installed a basic software in Windows, you can easily get it. So now you need to go in Java JDK folder, bin, any folder, any file in this folder, and right click it and go to properties and copy its file location, or else go to this section and copy. So I will now go to my system properties, advanced setting, environmental variables, and click here new, type name path. I have already created, so I don't need to do that, and enter there your file location and hit OK. As I previously installed, so I won't need to do that. So or else, if you want to do by using command prompt, go to command prompt and type set path is equal to semicolon and just right click here and paste and complete. And if you want to check it's properly installed or not, type Java C. If this type of section comes, you see here, so your software is installed. That's it guys. If you wanna check, type Java C and hit enter. That's it. You need to do this much steps. So I'm sorry. So our job is done here, and we don't need to do anything. For compiling, just type your program this and save it with .java. Type the program in any text editor, Notepad, Note++, Sublime Text, and save it with .java extension. How to run a program I will show you in future videos. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.